In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build Figma plugin. By the end, you'll have a working plugin that shows a small interface and creates a rectangle on the canvas with a single click. Start in Figma, open the menu, go to Plugins, then Development, and choose New Plugin. When prompted, pick the option with a UI, which gives you a panel to interact with. Give your plugin a clear, memorable name so you can find it easily during testing. Figma will generate a starter project for you automatically, so you're not starting from scratch. Let's quickly get familiar with the files it creates. The manifest.json stores your plugin settings and metadata like the name and which files to run. The code.js file is the main logic that talks to the Figma document, and UI.html is your user interface, plain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that appears in the plugin window. Knowing what each file does makes debugging and expanding your plugin much easier. Next, build a simple UI. Open UI.html and add a heading such as create rectangle and a button labeled add box. In a small script tag, wire that button's click to send a message to the plugin by calling parent.postMessage with a plugin message that includes a type like create box. This gives your plugin a visible control and a clear message the main code can listen for. Keep the UI minimal at first, you can style and expand it later. Now add the functionality. In code.js, show the UI with Figma, show UI, then listen for messages from the interface. When a message arrives with type create box, create a rectangle node, resize it to 200 by 100, set a solid blue fill, and append it to the current page. That simple flow, UI sends a message, main code responds, mirrors how most Figma plugins operate. Time to run it. In Figma, go to Plugins, Development, and select your plugin. Your UI should pop up. Click Add Box, and you'll see a rectangle appear on the canvas. If nothing happens, save your files and relaunch the plugin. From here, test and improve. Tweak the UI text, change the rectangle's size or color, rerun, and confirm the result. And iterating in short cycles helps you spot mistakes quickly. When you're ready to explore, you can extend your plugin to generate layouts, rename layers in bulk, insert icons, create social templates, or even connect external APIs. If you use APIs, never embed secrets in client code. Finally, publish. Open Plugins, Development, and select